Hi guys! Today we'll be discussing TikTok hashtags. Yes, you heard me right. TikTok hashtags on your TikTok content. Look no further, this video is for you. With these easy proven TikTok strategies, you are going to have desired engagement, hidden secrets of TikTok algorithm. This way you can get more traffic and audience to your TikTok content. My name is Lana and I'm glad to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit notifications bell so that you never miss a video. Come to think of it, why do you need to use TikTok hashtags? The answer is simple actually. Using TikTok hashtags is a conscious and strategic help your content to reach your desired audience and increase traffic. So how do we proceed with TikTok hashtag strategy? Everything starts with a plan. Planning your TikTok hashtag strategy begin with the type of content you have and what you wish to achieve with this content. Defining the goals of this content involves first, determining your target audience. Second, determining the type of engagement you desire from your target audience, maybe for them to make a purchase, share the video, or visit the website. And the third one, also determine if your content is niche specific. For example, fashion-related content may have hashtags like fashion, style, elegance, blah blah blah, or something like that. Or if your content is one that is currently trending. Those can be found using the discover button like Christmas, Santa Claus, Xmas, and something like that. Okay, so now let's discuss on your TikTok strategies. First, make sure to never only use the hashtags that negatively impacts the TikTok algorithm. That the 100 characters available on TikTok might seem not enough for you, but make sure that you always have a description in the caption before you use the hashtags. The good news is you can add the less important hashtags in the comment section. This also can increase the audience to your content. Moving on, only use relevant hashtags. The TikTok algorithm is different from Instagram or Twitter. Therefore, do not spam hashtags. No, don't do it. Use only the relevant hashtags that suit the specific content. You can easily find this by browsing through content from other creators, not in the relevant hashtags they use. Or, if you need a quicker route to get relevant hashtags, you can usually use the hashtag generator tools available online. However, do ensure to streamline the hashtag option generated to fit your specific content. Next, make sure you stay up to date with trends. The funny thing is, yesterday's trending topics might be different from today's trending topics. As such, make sure that you follow trends so you can know the wow is the now to help you use the hashtags that are still current. This way, your content can easily be found when users search with the discover button and watch your engagement increase. It's so hot here. Okay, let's continue. Another important strategy is using popular hashtags together with niche-specific hashtags. What's better than one? Two, right? Yes, you're correct. Streamline your content to only the niche implies that your target audience can only be those interested in that niche. However, if you combine the popular hashtag TikTok viral America love to niche-specific hashtags, the TikTok algorithm helps increase your audience. Lastly, today is where brand Editify comes in. One of those essential elements in brand Editify involves picking your personality and being consistent. You can easily have your own branded hashtag that will be consistent with your content. For example, a basketball club, Los Angeles Lakers Sparks, always have this hashtag on their content. This way, the audience can easily search this hashtag whenever they want to see their content. You can easily create your hashtags with your brand name and watch the magic it performs. And there you have it for today, where I walked through amazing TikTok hashtag strategies that will skyrocket your views. I hope this video was helpful. Drop a comment below and let me know what you think about it. If you would like to connect with me on TikTok, here's my username. I'll drop the link in the descriptions below. And make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video. See you next time.